Pilipinong sundalo handa na kung magkakagulo. Muli kasing pinasabog ng sunod-sunod ang High Mobility Artillery Rocket System o HIMARS. Bahagi ito ng ipapatuloy na salaknib exercises 2025. Tingin nga ng US Army Commanding General na si Mullen, eksperto na ang Armed Forces of the Philippines na umasinta at magpasabog ng HIMARS.
Again, with strengthening the partnership, we're going to continue to do exercises together with the Philippine Army. We have not confirmed that we're going to keep the launchers here in the Philippines, but we are in discussions on further exercises that we can continue working together on. Right now from the artillery regiment, from the Philippine Army, is that they're absolutely ready to use the HIMARS system. They are going to continue training with us, and we're excited about where to go.
Higit nga sa 10 kilometro ang layo ng tinatarget at 21 rocket ang pinakawalan ng sundalong Pilipino. Isa nga lang dyan ang hindi tumama. Nangangulugan na paggaling ng paggaling ang AFPing humawak ng nasabing rocket system mula sa Estados Unidos.
Tab is an impact area that is 10.8 kilometers distance, and it's designed for us to be able to train in a safe way where all of the artillery soldiers can observe the fires, and then we continue to fire a total of 21 rockets.
Kinumpirma na rin ni US Army General ang usap-usapan noong nakaraan na magde-deploy ang US Army ng iba't iba pang rocket o missile system sa Pilipinas. Totoo daw yan. Tuloy-tuloy daw ang training na magkakabilang panig tungkol dyan.
We're constantly looking at how we can make our exercises and our live fires more complex to be ready in a lethal way. And so the exercises that we're planning right now with the Philippine Army are going to introduce further elements of training together with the artillery regiment, and we're also going to bring additional different forms of ammunition.
Ang HIMARS nga ay modernong weaponry ng US Army. Gamit na gamit to sa Ukraine-Russia war, kung saan ginagamit sa pupapasabog ng tangke ng Russia. Isa to sa dahilan bakit hanggang ngayon hirap na hirap pa rin ang Russia kumabante sa pagsabog. Makatutulong din to sa Pilipinas in the near future kung sasakupin ng China ang West Philippine Sea. Magagamit to para pasabugin ang barko nila dyan. Isa nga to sa posibleng maging susi para mapanatili ang ating teritoryong binabalak nakawin ng kalaban. Muli namang nagpasalamat ang militar sa US Army sa patuloy na kooperasyon ang pagtulong sa Pilipinas gumamit nito.
Artillery, HIMARS is one of the advanced artillery technologies available in the world. This exercise will help us improve our long-range precision shooting skills and ensure that our forces can work together to protect our sovereignty and future defense posture.
Ngayon, kinumpirma naman ni US Ambassador to the Philippines Mary Kay Carlson na tuloy ang posibleng produksyon ng ammunition at missile sa Pilipinas. Nag-usap na daw siya sa Secretary Hegseth at sa Secretary Kibo. Ano naman itong ammunition manufacturing and storage facilities? Pilipinas lang naman ang gagawa ng bala at missile ng US para imbes na umuwi pa sila sa Amerika para mag-supply sa gera. Nandito na mismo sa ating bansa ang mga bala.
That when Secretary of Defense Hegseth was here, we talked about with Secretary Teodoro in their joint statement, our prospects for enhancing our defense industrial cooperation through potentially co-production here in the Philippines. So I'm not surprised, given the very strong bipartisan support for the Philippines and the U.S. Congress, that they're also looking at ways that we can continue to enhance U.S.-Philippine defense cooperation.
Sana madagdagan pa ang Pilipinong sundalong marunong gumamit nito. Kaya kung ako bibigyan ng pagkakataong magpasabog niyan, magte-training talaga ako. Kayo, payag din ba kayong mag-training ng ganyang klaseng kalakas na rocket system? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.